Hey guys, welcome back to the Maguire Motorsports YouTube channel. We're back down here in the shop tonight working on the 351 Windsor for the 71 F100 project. I'll show you a little bit what we're going to do. We'll try to set up the GoPro for some time-lapse footage, but we'll come back every so often to update you a little closer detail. As you can see, we just got a couple bolts holding the heads on right now. I got one on this side and one over here. We're going to pull those out, lift the heads back off, because I mean, we don't have no gaskets or nothing on it right now. We were just doing that, trying to look at a few things. But we're going to pull the heads back off. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the camshaft and put in it. Probably slide the lifters down in the lifter bores. Then slap the head gaskets on and go ahead and torque the heads down. That might be all we have time for tonight. We'll just have to wait and see how far we get. But that's what we're looking at doing tonight, so stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in a little bit. Hey guys, we're coming back with you here. We've been doing a little bit of work. We got the cam in now. You can see all the lifters are in place there. You can see a little bit of the residual cam lube we got left there. Got our timing chain on. If you don't know, these are a pretty easy motor to time, I guess. It's the first time I've really been into a Ford. I think Dad has been into a few. But the dot on the lower gear lines up perfectly with the keyway here. Then you can hopefully see the dot right there. You just got to line that tooth up that has that dot with this gap that has the dot. And basically, like I say, it lines up right directly with the keyway here. And you just got to turn the cam on this to where the dowel pin location, which is just right behind my finger here, is going straight down. Slap the gear and chain on it, and there you go. So that's been one of the easier ones I've done before. The next step that we're looking at is you can see Dad's cleaning the deck of the block right now. We're going to make sure the deck side of the heads are nice and clean, and we're going to go ahead and put the heads on. You guys probably realize that we're missing the fuel pump eccentric right here, and that's for good reason. We was getting ready to put it on and noticed that the outer ring we hadn't done those before has a little bit of pitting in it. And honestly, we just didn't really feel comfortable putting it on there. You can see it's a little dirty, but it's also pitted in there some. So we're going to go ahead and replace on that. It's a quick piece to get from Summit. We may try one of the local places, but we'll go ahead and replace that. So that's why we just got the bolt here, just finger tight to keep it in place for now. But like I say, we'll keep the GoPro going so you guys can see us working in fast speed there, getting these heads through on the block, and that'll probably be as far as we can get tonight. We'll just have to see what else is next. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we're wrapping up for tonight on the old F100 project. As you've seen in the video, we've put the camshaft in tonight. We got the timing chain and gears on. We've installed the lifters, and the last thing we did tonight was get the cylinder heads bolted down on the block. So I'll show you guys everything here. So again, like I say, camshaft been slid back in the engine now, along with the timing chain and gears. We still have one thing left to do here. Like I showed you, it's just replacing this eccentric. I thought we was going to reuse it, but it's just pitted. I'd feel more comfortable going ahead and replacing it, which is a simple part to do. And they'll bolt right in. So we'll have to get on Summit to order that, and that won't really slow us down from what we're doing anyways. After we got the lifters and camshaft in, we threw the head gaskets on and the cylinder heads. Went through, they got 10 bolts per side. Right here in the center, to that side, to that side. And down here by the exhaust, you got the one in the center, and then 2 on this side, 2 on this side. I went to my trusty Haynes manual over there. Look up the torque sequence and the torque specs. Basically, you always start at the center on any of them, and the torque sequence is fairly similar on every one I've ever done. We've done a lot of Pontiacs, and this is the first Ford for me. But basically, 2 center ones, top, bottom. Go the right side, top, bottom. Left side, top, bottom. This side, top, bottom. And then finally on this end, top, bottom. And the same for the other side. Now, also went to my manual for the torque specifications. And it said the first, did in a couple of steps. The first step from 95 to 100 pounds. Or no, I'm sorry, 95 to 105 foot-pounds. So that's what we did. I set my torque wrench on 100, just split it right down the middle. And again, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And over here, top and bottom. And same on that side. I did initially just set 60 pounds on the torque wrench. I actually done it in 3 steps, I guess. Just to make sure it was all down evenly. Hit them all with 60 pounds first, then the 100 foot-pounds all the way through. The second step, according to the book, was to go between 105 and 112 foot-pounds. So I set the torque wrench to 110 foot-pounds and followed the same sequence through. And then that's about where we're going to stop for tonight. The next step for us, so you're trying to think. I got the timing cover over there. We need to get it cleaned up. I'm going to try to put it in a sandblaster, see if I can get it cleaned up and leave it a raw aluminum finish. I might put a clear coat on it. If I can't get it to clean up good enough, we'll go ahead and paint it like the rest of the engine block. But I'd like to detail it that way if I could. That's how I do my Pontiac engines. Of course, we need to paint the engine block, just the factory Ford blue. I showed you guys the intake in the last video. That'll be going on polished. And I'm still on the hunt for what kind of valve covers I want. Of course, it'll be a little bit before we get it in the truck and up and running. Because we got some floor repair and cab support repair we want to do on the truck. But this is where we're at for now. We're going to sign off for tonight. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Tell all your friends. We're on Instagram now as well. Get on there and check us out. Follow us. We'll try to give you a few updates there every now and then. Also, it's February now. Race season's right around the corner. Hopefully we'll have some racing videos up soon. Not only ourselves racing, but different events we go to when we don't even race. Just events we like to go to. So keep watching, following along. Have a good night.